Level 6, Pre-Intermediate. Little Red Riding Hood. One morning, Little Red Riding Hood's mother gave her a basket of bread and fruit. She said, "Take this to Grandma, but go straight and do not talk to strangers." The girl walked into the forest, but a wolf stopped her. "Where are you going?" asked the wolf. "To my grandmother's house," she said. The wolf quickly ran to the house, swallowed the old woman, and dressed in her clothes. When the girl arrived, she was surprised. "Grandma, what big eyes you have," she said. "Better to see you with," replied the wolf. "Grandma, what big ears you have. Better to hear you with." "Grandma, what big teeth you have. Better to eat you with," roared the wolf. He tried to catch her, but a woodcutter entered, killed the wolf, and saved Grandma and Little Red Riding Hood.